episode for high GC news. We were Obibia Aquaba, Ahadie, latest and hot news. Enqua, Aremeyaw Bremo. And so you subscribe to channel area, Bomodia say over subscribe. So say Hadie, latest hot. Aremeyaw bro. The other say over click a subscribe button. Now our barely notification. Where there's a video for Frubia be uploaded. When the first person I would say Ebeka a video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now share my wo for so now when you be here now who and somewhat a coso ever Ghana memohano. I feel you share ye and somewhat about beto yep no so yeti a yes I report ya about beto ya yeti report.
Me say I feel we what would Jimmy be the answer be shows from Jimmy and the door soon. She say moon enlightened moon munyansa mu be brain. I'm sorry to say. I same way as a boy you say when we are betray. Me sure say mumu be treat to me reply mo. I said this woman is 100% fake. When she started her ordeal with Akufo Addo at the end, I thought she was looking for justice. But when I saw her on Loud Silence or Kevin Taylor page, I realized it was just political motivated or something. Where Jimmy? Even 2 days ago, which is January 1st, I gave a speech at what NDC for celebration of win program of Toronto. I say, say pictures ni be na wabe commenting. We were see pictures ni be say who some members ni be try. And I said, Sammy, I don't belong to any party. Humanity first. We Jimmy sa me nya Ghana ni 30 years ni me nkuta Ghana passport. Many vote be our Ghana honti politically motivated no. Me no be sure me speech kotwaba. What tells you I was not looking for justice? Sebi Ghana for ye Jimmy na justice and I never got it. I brutally na president be ADC and I would have gotten the justice I was looking for. But now says Sebi Ghana for ni be brave, ya gullible, ya dream and no. Enti sa asemi ya etu obia. Na onye unu onye maame onye oba na onye oyonko obi wokro oyonko ye ne de settle muntimenti ase ena enam say country no sebi politicians na ewom no so mfa asem nye serious ntino ye wo na UK ye say ho ahwane akosa was wako program be doing covid omo ho ahwan said that time was he a prime minister or whatever he was ye hu DC enya Ghana enya Africa. President bi kukuni pa crash baby ne ye wo evidence cry be no we politics we be na suma no say we support we because we support people blindly. Are you dumb? Loud Silence we say there a platform to say nkofo kwa antena nkofo ko CNN nkofo ko BBC nkofo ko interview. What do you think it is? Obi si a shooting eba no akọ program bi so no akọ kana asem. Obi si obi ato na mona no akọ program bi so no akọ kana asem. Na radio station bi afa na story no omo dey aye omo program because they are trying to create awareness or get support for the person. So Loud Silence where NDC office I chose a platform that was credible. I chose a platform that was big. I chose a human being who connected with me at that time as a brother to go on his page. When him at that time, whether small or big or medium, radio stations, even Canada, TV stations, I am Musa Maytech. Connected to BBC in the Kekaho. I chose Kevin for a reason, and it has nothing to do with more stupidity. Now, me vote to crowd Ghana da me vote to crowd Ghana da because me too quite me age it me vote to. The idea influence na me way. Let me take this opportunity to teach you here, and the speech I gave was that program. And I'll repeat it here. So what party bim? Now it's not serving the country, it's not serving the purpose. You have every right to switch. Let's assume saying I'm to Ghana and I'm here NPP ni. And I see say economy is not going well. The government body is not doing anything about it, and I want change. I will change. Young 1 to 1 party, except the very gullible ones. I said, "Be Jimmy na, me fear you na NPP, you fear you na NDC." Me obi o me fie bia NPP ni. Basan kame wo Ghana na me vote anka this year 2024 ye twem e kame vote to my NPP. Eso e bia na me life ni na ma vote to my NPP. E dey kra na ha mu bia. Ordinary home that was say obetro say this guy he needs to go order sense and you pay for it. He needs to order a large plate of sense. You bet you yakama no. Mo jimi o. Mo bi mo. Mo jimi dodo. Nyansa na ye de be wura mu tirim. Because enya wonko na wodwini se be brejimi. Sana me ko obi platform o said am this will be say oh sister no cry say nam no so na NPP for kra lusu ye. Are you daft? Me the head na kwana me so NPP for kolusu party. Na time a mo president no cry de ye me bone a na afi na no mo beto o maba 2020 kra ma me ka hwe. Me man election twemu man betra na konya so nti me no what influence na me wa as one individual am inti na NPP for antimi anya konya nwie mu this year anwen ne antimi minti no mulusu ye. Uti say me ye campaign. Uhu say masisa ballot bi akogu baabi. Mo agimi o. Mo manipulating crowd you hinder people. Ya wo ye say nkofo bi Africa for ye just say we are meek. Ya ma ye kan ye she. Enti we say unua bi ti baabi na obi aye ne bone. No oba abontian be kana say nipa kro ye obi oye prominent member. And a party affiliated person be big owner of company bia na osuru because oba abontian be kano sa grocery store owner na why ne bone na obeka no employees omo nyina esuru owner no sa party member bia why na de obeka no oye panyimu nti enkofo mo hye na se nyina support no na yaba bedi nipa na tem so na e bia asem o kan no kre munya mu jimi no this year and the years beyond. If you guys don't take care, you put one out there, we're gonna put 1.25 out there. So a president from one party did something that bothered me, something that hurt me, something that was criminal. And if I have friends in another party, or if another party is doing an event, community I'm not allowed to go because what? Because what? MPP for your event na say me available na mpesa me kwa I will go. Any MPP for be any problem. Sana me ni NDC for be also any problem. Sana me ni personal friends be within the party, both parties or any other party for that matter. Sana so na me ni vote ni control be or any party be also because me I am not even a Ghanaian. I hold a Canadian passport for so many years. Munya Jimmy and what's it? Munya Jimmy say, oh, party A, party B, party C, na man koyama with this past elections and then Umpire say, Mobile me organize muhuye. Not hopefully one day you get back. Sana over party so I win anymore. Na most of my mom you're comfortable. Don't relax. Also Umpire say, Mobile me aye near ma. Ebema enkrof kromai mu no tema mu force e come den akoma atom yem no mo so keep mo on the seat for a long while. I stand for humanity. I don't stand for anything. And you all need to do the same. You're humans before a party for excuse my Italian for fuck's sake. Crying out loud. What is it? I dey kwa na mu bi majimi jimi sa. No so ya de wo man am besia wasas. There no. You are human first. And don't let anybody infringe, because I'm not going to allow anybody to infringe on my happiness or my choice or my whatever. So a party is making a celebration. I turn up there and then what? And then what? You guys are too gullible. I'm not about to fall for this shit. Munde musumo jimi jimi no. Mumubi mono. And why no? Don't allow anybody to infringe on space or happiness or choices in life. What do you think it is? It's choices. Everything you do in this life is a choice. I chose to be on Kevin Taylor's space, and I have not regretted it, and I will never regret it. Where were you when things were going that bad? Where were you? The money man is a hide behind cheap mutiti behind cheap gadgets. Na muchocho nkwasi asem sa. When you thought I was seeking justice, what did you do? Show me the comment or a video you posted somewhere. Before you saw me on loud silence and you thought I was seeking justice, where did you write anything to support me? Niyama, krasifo asifo.
Say a corner na ni jumedi a 2016. Yeri to me share in sase Omeyaw Anas from 2016, 2020 the bosh ahodo share na yekeka bom ne ye te he.
Yeah.
If we are to be fair to the judgment ye de manwa. Markins maybe anka F1000 krano. Yes, that's the fact.
Oh, but it depends on Obiya score.
No.
Because Another Akufo Addo, he sees he's done extremely well. Per onu akasa ne briefing. And then near why no onu so hu ne ho say why extremely well. So as President Bia betwemu ko bia.
Say no tin award ne on ne Crawford just.
Oh, order of the voter Rollins yebi. John Agyapong yebi.
But any papi wo honma, me and you, we were not expecting so be more award. Obi to say how akumsen. How akumsen yet to about just recently. Nipa say two ne wu ye e the constituency.
Yes.
No your first time. 2020 so I think ABC ye. Do you understand?
Yes, sure.
It is such a person who born the man award wa. O person catch ye Ghana for the sebe adwin na team.
Well, it depends because how comes the time and now to me procure ambulances. As he said to me, a lot of ambulances. I mean, the more criteria be almost faso a year those awards. That is why any minister be no nyebi, nya pointi be no nyebi. And you could also remember say some of the previous or the past ministers nibi kra ebebeje awards nibi, especially the former agri minister, Freya Kutu ebebeje order of the voter nibi. And that is one of the prestigious awards. So the reason for that particular award is vested in the hands of the president and the prerogative to decide as to how ultimately award. And of course, there are planning committees or more.
So you agree? Say award no was
no me to me, personally to me, there you said they don't deserve it, but. That is the president's own discretion. I mean, I know, but to be any day.
Media and my expectations, yes, sir. Nanado, who the true state of the nation because
maybe what your
minor drew. Because ma or money room fi say wa ma ye hu na so kwa dem so mra man e ko kwan so no so emfa the state of the nation emra.
Yes.
Enti yempe de baby wo de adru na ye. Or how amane ne stress ne bitterness or the Ghana for afam no enough is enough enti na me hu nya sa akire na se je me hu de atwetwe mu ankasa hwe a na so ba hye because after the election Akufo Addo accusing no say wa go NPP party 1 wa ma empapa mu abam 2 wa nye Ghana for ye in 2016 vim ne rehemu ne ni daswa omanfo nyaaye eto abade man bum so okay papa yi wa ba nti ye nso ne hwe ne hu de ewo no mu no sai ni daswa ni na menu mienu menyi ni se ye nyaaye
obeka ya omanpani dada John Agyapong time o take over as the president you realize no owechi no meye president da no he made but later drawing the timer oba bebetna akonwa so ayeso ani no there was one thing he said adebako okaye and say obepa Ghana for yina achew eka Ghana for yina say ono onim the way a enyema no esitie amabo no onim the way a amabo no esitie into opa Ghana for yina achew na this is a new beginning and a new era for him. And that is what you expect to say, Omanpani Bia Ebeye. But it is not entirely so. I'm paying for no Moba to say, Nanado Dako Akufo Addo. There is no way Nanado Dako Akufo Addo will come and tell Ghana for say, or take this decision, that decision way, and farmer no, wait, that decision way, and farmer. No, those decisions he would dare not say them because of you say, he's done his best. He served Ghana well. Per the records are on the wall. But you see, irony that is say this records be no more and reflecting on the grounds. Even in the number catch us see I say, why would the regional minister in Ashanti region go and commission a 250 bed an uncompleted 250 bed hospital?
Oh, I know quite the ABC because yeah, that's what bed. Never be the hot man no mu.
One commission flower pot, uncompleted flower pot.
Oh, I know quite.
One interchange. You see, so these are some of the things, but they will add it to their record to make it look as if said, "Omo vie, bibia okay, but ni bia ni honomo." And about the sana, omo chere sa seven brothers sa say again. Aha. But my member Captain Akwaba, General Akwaba.
I'm just.
Bibia fine.
Bibia fine.
We better.
I'm that fine.
Oh, better.
Me say na me papa me do kwan me say, "Hey, how much is sorry ya?" Aha.
Now say Ashanti regional minister Akwa commission there.
Akwa commission that to Serwaa hospital.
Oh yare.
Aha.
Eno, ye be sama Mahama commission fufuro.
Yes. 250 bed capacity hospital.
Sebio, Serwaa na si wono.
Yeah.
Now monim say enhu here. Won kwa commission hospital. Or the day commission damoto. Oh. Yeah, Jerry, me ma catch me say sir this crop of NPP for one. Omo superman wherefore. What can people think say wo kasakeke? This crop of people you mbedi yesu won. Omo ye wudi for brutal me na catch them. They behave as if say nyansa ni wo mutirim. That's how they were behaving. As so nyansa ni wo mutirim. That's how they were behaving. Say ya otumfo eye Conference teaching hospital.
Conference teaching, yeah.
Or sray or pachow.
Emana regional minister cracked in chain.
Regional minister to otum for chain otum for say. Mumbia Seria.
Nana
for the free home call.
Oh,
when fee otum for.
And the only thing that access routes any mukania.
When we here, last year, 2024 yeah, Coke Masi. Was it in March?
Yes.
2024 project na ye coin. Otum for say. Padi ye fee. They went to Messia and told Otum for say, Devin.
Any money.
Hospital the bed be no. What am I doing my? O ma for 3 rooms. No ma pempesi one, no ma penti wo. Omo de fa corridor no mu a they are branch there and work rooms no yes ya commission
dey bia no mo ye no flower pot ba bia na enye no ko ko gina ho
wo mo ye den ye be tutu Akufo Addo sa plug den no mo de be tar wo no ye be kwa ko tu ato atwene na Mahama commission na de ye be tu ato atwene
na Mahama na start here
onu na wie
be wie in fact as at the time of free office na Serwaa hospital was about 91% complete
ye be tu ade na to atwene ye de Mahama so bi ni mu ho on enim said yes so you go say under the pinch man na crow obi ni hot on fa bi ko bom maye then yam papa no then too free ho you see ye mo obi or ye politician be for your life in dia go chrome have built not in VJ Akufo when he try we tell him our peace of mind. Not even him.
Not
even him. Sir, regional minister no. Sir, bibi papa bi no mo person mo ya. Huh? Sir, bibi papa bi no mo person mo ya. JB, Akufo Addo betna helicopter every ha akopeja the t-shirt kon ekunkon.
I say for super.
That's right. Akwa commission. But the son say adwin boni ni adwin fi ni adwin fio.
I say regional minister mom na.
Any dream and wo dream nipa ho nti. When just say we are hospital this war
8 years. 8 years. Afari hospital 8 years.
Now what say?
I can 4 days. Also, my commission.
Afena. Who Kwaku commission? Wow. Nyame ane wo mo ho. Nyankopon afa pegative. Man ye me hie. Afasido. Me na me catch nyame wa no pegative.
Na de do bi ana.
Awurade. Me say nyame. Nyame anu ma fedro. Pegative. Man ye me hie.
No wa kwaji ma.
Wa kunkon pa no we jegu e bi for say. Sure.
Enna obodi ba tata za no.
Who see agenda 111.
Yes.
Now be commission 45. Answer ya to aba 45 no way.
Not even one. In fact, baby, omunika kokoye Ewo Ashanti region.
45 no way.
Omunikai omunye kra.
Me say 45. Me say nyame afa pegati.
Yeah, kana fasidro.
Wa fa fasidro. Nyame wa no ma fasidro pa. Ma fa ne yam.
Edi we ma kan o.
On say aduane e wo wiase na so nyame na boy to edi ni na bi.
And was asa.
And was asa.
Also the
And we jema. And we jema gu amoso. You see, look, you can't take the people for granted all of the time. Even nyame no boy and cry say, I have given you your will.
Yeah, or the
whole palm. It's a young Ghana for that one year pay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, penny say yeah queen. Yeah, penny say here school. Yeah, penny say here hospital. Papa. Why yeah, we will use our will to vote against you.
And add the Kokromoti.
Na me danyame asesam to abama Mahama. Sam to abama kwa we san kam nyansa. Look, and this is a fact. We must teach these politicians some little sense.
Ne man na me areho kese den say. Before say John Dramani Mahama be fi akonwa so. That was 8 years ago. Na Serwaa hospital was 90% complete.
What's that?
Yet me anya no hwe.
Akufo say yeah,
for this.
NDC adwuma. Me granted. When we agree akuta NDC party card.
Nipa ne kura.
Serwaa. I said don't catch wa abem na yon na hwe Serwaa. Serwaa so ba abem na no so nya na da for Serwaa. Look, what we are saying is say me fa ho ni nipa wadwen yo say we betumi aye bishop, betumi aye archbishop, we betumi aye professor emeritus, we ye hwan and no position in nyamasem. Me krom kwan ni hia me.
Nsu abanum ni hia.
Nsu abanum ni hia me me fa position wo.
Kania medem am de be madwuma and hia.
And you see, yeah nuanom Ashanti region oh. Once Akufo Addo attempt, they have insulted Otumfo. Sa kwana okay send the office ni chiwa petition ba na wo. Some regional minister. Ne regional coordinating council chiwa no say journalist ni share. Sa petition ba na wo. Any barbering shop.
Brookios.
What ho? Na yeja kumawu. Sewia Afari.
Konongo, yeah.
Oh, adanse ho baby. Ba ko bi show.
Oh.
Is it Formina?
Yes, Formina.
What can hospitals see?
Obuja tepa.
Obuja tepa.
Oba no be commission tepa.
What can hospitals when you na bomu Ashanti region? You are hitting close to 1,000 bed.
Oh, yeah, no. Mama for hospital 500 bed.
Oh, mama. Oh,
Serwaa 250.
Nyabutre.
Everybody no question 250.
What dey nyabutre? Na ye Kumase at Ashanti region. Na ya say NPP for. Na ya sori ya kwagina wiem akwato abama nkretia. Na won abetse bedi yakwadu. Ya to abama nkretia na yakwadu a ye twen ye di ye fufuo di apa ye num akoda no na nkretia na san bedi. Na hospital empa makumba 1,000 ni achire esi ho. O man fa o mon sanka. Na wakosi 40 bed. Ewo so ame kai for 20 yare kogu ha aka be de say kai 20 na yare kogu ho sesi ha aka be de say na yati Kumase na omu wi a omo say MPP Ghana for anto aba na MPP for 2 million ankoto. It's a lie. I am sitting here and telling you today say ye proper voter register auditor oh I say slash more than 3 million if you Jane me person me born Jane means
Adukwe
me humbo
eba me mama Adukwe
me de
Jane Mensa
Mami Jane Mensa ono ne Bossman Asare ene wo aka no wo mo sesa over 2 million names de wum me na me ka kire wo wo mo sesa over 2 million names and the good because watch this in 2016 time na ye kan ho ma ye let my vote count I won kwapaya akwa ni no okay Bawumia ka kire ye ma ye gigina say ye tiase na Charlotte say overbloat voters register no adenti o se Ghana a country ye 30 million and then more than half of the population. More than half of the population. Ebe to me I registered voters are umedi 18 and above omoto aba. Krom hana na yewo. Eti Bawumia can say the photo there and then be beto ho ye the to ho na the two TV so na the to computer so okeka nsama na enso ewura ye tiri me se fa kan poladomo chere ni won aka ye jijrem yo let my vote count akwa David wa omudi enum so we no benya position ni ye ni na ewie ye na chere say population 30 million na more than half cannot be registered voters or motor. Yeah. Say, we must say 34 million. You were 18 million plus.
18.7.
It's another the same thing as here. Yeah. 2016 and now NPP for that time. And the Mejai. Nana ya can wasem. Hey, and ya can wasem. When we say that society, Chama want to be more year, you have 1 million ways of winning elections. This is the only election in the Fourth Republic. Ballot papers are printing account for them. And you need the easy printing knife.
I want to be friend to you.
Auntie, no plaza.
Oh, Mafia, Jai. Jaja is now your way. One pound of family also. Ballot papers are now one crop for whom. They Google backs him. They will contain them and work car boots near there because you the dini bebre 2 million plus. Awuram. Eti you print ya na wunya kwanya. Ana yenso yete ya na yete to.
Yeah, bo ungus.
Yete ya.
Yeah, she ungus.
Ana yete say ballot papers ne do so kuma. Watch this. Mafia enya wanwa. Say Northern Region ho baby. Womo de ballot papers no booklet ni fin kran ekoduru ye no na ye tintim dada na ye tintim ya tom printed dada wa bra ye nto aba no ya tom printed dada na we say that Asante region for to aba ni tie NPP.
Yes,
no
the police station officer how ye NPP ni how ko to aba ni my NDC how try to send them
wait, even Nipa ya register ya to aba last year because you saw kaya tama na ye war analysis no. I think na a ballot papers or more than buy na a dose change.
Over 1 million ballots.
Who printing over 1 million?
Yes.
So for that way. What can I say about 8 o'clock? Yamra sorry ya from 4. Over 8. About 12 o'clock. So for punye. So for any else I can quotation me answer. One better so them with you.
Yeah, pentama.
I feel like you was why
one better. Now, easy to me hear him say ballot papers now me printing here no. Masa printing additional over 1 million. How?
Maybe I know be akwa today there na say no what for them.
Oh, when 1996 dey ni bia.
What's it?
1996 nu wa yin bi omote ballot paper man. Otitim. Also want to baby person otoko no wa say no. Nti otitim omo sanche for man. Nya no bi. 1996 nya ne. And Jemensa must go. Look, she must live peacefully. What for Charles? Charles. No, Mr. Charles Mensa. Oh, I know him very well, Jacob. I know him very well. You know, I know him. What for Charles?
I know you refer of Charles.
Yeah. Nene Nkasa. Any Jay Nkasa. Yeah. Monu anko. One na do ne ba obi anko.
We say, Charlotte.
Boss man asare nko.
Obviously, women organizer be honorable. Bemo ye women organizer.
A friend say, appear to us, appear him say, they should live peacefully. Now, yen po be an adri mudaho. Now, obi obey fair, yen pa freja and sunipa. No met now. Because yat sa what to mind musana and yamane kosoling yet. Easy way, no, I drink so very and no one person ever can. But nyame and no my federal.
No, Sasaka.
No, was
also the night. I was through.
Nyame was on the night. Oh, be a
serious combination.
No, be any What the hell, we jam serious.
TV.
Jump there. Wow, we knew what was happening in this country. It's a Afenyo Markins commission. Asante region, Serwaa hospital,
250 bed.
What no many pay? Every
But all of us are the pabonini.
Kweku
Annan menu. Or you the pabonini first class.
Okay.
Nipa pabonini first class.
Zoom.
Serwaa hospital. As at the time, John Dramani Mahama Agyapong. On the health minister. Waba betina so alcohol no more yatoto air conditions. Atoto mpa. Atoto bibie de gu Serwaa hospital mu. Owie ye so otumi commission because access routes e kwan ye for alcohol e ho no no. Ebi ni ho. Number 2, kania ye be supply dem hospital no. Kania ni yetimi twe e fa nko hospital ho no. Ndi omo yesa no mu ni mi asase. Eso mo yesa ne mani.
So in reality, NPP and NC hospital our Ashanti region will come.
Yeah, man, so commission
200 bed. You can't crunch Ghana for.
Agenda 1 na be fa say.
Agenda 1 no we.
And there so.
No, but then to 200 bed.
There be 200. That 200 bed. Hey,
okay, o there. Yes, sorry ba. Me no figure why.
One bed. There be only 70 million.
Oh, but they do 200 bed capacity.
There be $70 million.
Yes. $70.5 million.
17.5. They do 100 bed. Oh, yeah, what document na kasa wa. Baby Edru bia you across the country. Baby agenda 111 Edru bia no. Ya wo stage no ho. So baby. When me na wa kwodina so.
Enema na proper wie aseye wi afida bu.
Akwodina so ame. Say my commission 40 bed hospital. Say 60 bed say.
Na dadam.
Obedadam. Who kwa Ashanti region. Say who ye me interchanges. 5 Ashanti region. Who we ya?
No commission bridge.
Kwaku commission
bridge. Atta Forson
kese.
Bridge. Who we ya no asa commission library.
So mo no wazamo.
Esa sa na friend.
No Atta Forson kese ye kro. Kro Ashanti region.
Atta Forson kese. Three covered bridge. And ko commission hwe ho fin.
What would the one say me ko Kumasi last week? One soldier for kwase ye no. Ye youth and the jacket to go ahead. So me agroda video me person. Soldier for woni ma agroda video. That was am kwase ye no. Sabi ne ye dey ayo me. Me no ka say interchange no. Ya ye ba ku bi esi ata epotapi. Ya ye ba ku bi esi ya no say. Eni ejai eni akwa magro ni ya ketu abi so si ha no say. Eno moja no masa so ko mo ni eno moja. Is it a very serious traffic and the money here are Hopeson Adorye say alternative roads and anke so moye no mutumi elinking to baby so bia akono omotimi anye and it's so bad. It's so bad. I mean, I didn't run a Ashanti region the now was sorry or 240 he confirmed the assistance no mutumi because baby anake see dey yarefo ni bi ko na nanka mutumi kokko je mo ahome na doctor say tumi hwe omo no munya kwan eye confirmation ye no omo ntimi anya enough space nti ye shift we no mo be bosumi mienu ana miensa na ya baba ye we no be bosumi mienu miensa bi na a delay process ni na nti afre no motumi aye baby kakra bi awia omo guso omo ye and ni na echi no na mo mo ho no mo motumi anye obi baya na fe mososo you're waiting for when a reporter abeto yepno so make out say so when subscribe to channel area but more than say over subscribe we say had the latest and hot news and abede bremo afi we are now like video and give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo foforo so na we nyebi hwe na wo hu ensem a ekoso e wo Ghana memu ano also betimi a chere wadwen afa eye ensem we nyina ho e wo comment box ni mu mobeti menka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.